side of a road. I thought I saw something that didn't look like a tree branch hanging from this lower limb over there. So I pulled over on the side of the road, and behold, there's a small swarm. No one's talked to me about this. I just found this on the side of the road down here near Pompano. The tree it's in is, the trunk it's on is dying. It's going to collapse pretty soon, probably within the year. Where it is, I know somebody's going to get it soon. I don't know when, it's a matter of time. So I think I'll come back here maybe next week with a nuke box and try to harvest the whole thing in one go.
1 week later.
What I'm going to be using for my fuel for my smoker. An old McDonald's bag, with receipt paper inside, some nice Australian pine needles, and little tiny pine cones. I hope nobody calls the fire department. That was so. It would have been too easy. Would have been way too easy if it was just a small hive. Oh, they're all up in there. God dang it. What is that? There's something white in there. What is that? What is that? It almost looks like a bird egg. I mean...
Are you sure about that?
I think that is an egg. Oh man, that'd be funny. Be weird. So I've got my first cut down here. I want to see how high it goes because it's much easier to remove the hive from the top of where it's connected rather than just taking it out piecemeal section by section. Hopefully it doesn't go up this high. I see a bunch of ants.
There's no such thing as replacement eyes. So it's very important to think carefully about protecting them at every stage of the tasks you have to do.
Oh, it's not just sawdust by ants. Ugh. I think. Just gonna. Hopefully it's not too bad. Oh, okay, that's not that bad. And there's the comb. Well, you know what, we're just gonna do a little tap tap. Oh yeah, I think. Oh. Oh. Look at that! It's an old bird egg after all. That is what it was that I saw in there. And wait, oh, there's more eggs. All right. My goodness. What has blue eggs again? I forgot. Some bird. Push you down gently. That's pretty crazy. They actually grew it in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that as best I can. And put this one in place. Take a look at this. There used to be a nest here a long time ago with 4 eggs. Oh, they're glued to the bottom, I think with propolis. So the hole that they're going in is right there. That's the entrance they're coming in and out. If you guys see the queen, let me know. I haven't seen her yet. I do have a queen clip ready to grab her if she does show up. So you can see that one right there, and that one as well. You see how they have their butts up in the air? That means they're really pissed off. They want to sting the shit out of me. Let's see if we can just do one of these. Haha. Like that. There we go. That's much better. On the lookout for the queen. I'm pretty sure she's in this tree somewhere. So if you guys spot her, yell at me. I'll grab her. Or not. Who knows? There's more up here. Alright, we're going to try to be quick about this because I'm double parked. Good. Looks like everyone left, besides some ants. Hopefully it still fits after all that rain swelled it up. Nice and sealed up. That looks pretty good. Looks almost professional. Woo! What's going on up there? Oh no.
Oh no, it looks like the lid wasn't sealed very tight. Well.
Alright, using some good old-fashioned duct tape and a sheet of plastic, I have made a barrier over the lid of my nuke box. So I've sealed them in, so now they shouldn't fly out when I transport them the hour back up to my house. So I've sealed up the tree pretty well. I'm going to come back and make it a little bit prettier because it is kind of ugly. In case a hive comes back, I have my own little door that I can pop off and get access to next time.
Oh yeah!
Come on, don't sting. Please, 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 please. All right. We're good.
Whew. So many bees. Bees. Oh, that was cool. Just dragged out one of the dead ones. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm getting the fuck out of here.